Number first, 314,159. This number can stop you for a moment. It looks like a secret code. It feels like the winning number in a lottery. For many OG pioneers, this sequence brings a rush of emotion. It triggers a flood of memories. About a long journey, one filled with patience and consistent effort. When I first encountered this figure and the buzz around it, I felt incredibly excited. The story behind it is compelling, so I dove deeper to share it with the community. This is not just random digits, it's a symbol of potential value, a monumental target, and progress, connected to Pi's first 6 digits, 3.14159. That connection is no accident. It adds a clever branding layer and community identity. For early members, it signals that hours spent tapping, inviting friends, and participating might be culminating in something substantial. At the core is GCV, Global Community Value. It measures more than market price. It quantifies collective strength and collaboration. It weighs trust, effort over time, and the intrinsic value created by working as a cohesive group. Think of it as a score for the network's social fabric, counting interactions, security circles, and long-term commitment. For Pi, GCV is a living story of its people. It attempts to put a number on the most powerful asset, the community. Unlike hype-driven swings, GCV proposes a foundational, utility-anchored value. To appreciate GCV and the 314,159 milestone, revisit the Pi vision. Pi began with a simple, ambitious mission: let everyday people mine crypto on mobile. Before Pi, mining favored expensive hardware and deep technical know-how. Pi flipped that script with easy, accessible, friendly design. The goal wasn't just a coin, the Bodhisattva second honor, Sinsen. It was a widely distributed global community, even before market price. Users could secure the network and earn Pi with minimal battery or data. A massive, engaged community generates collective value. GCV measures it. Phases unfolded. First, growth. Pioneers invited trusted contacts, formed security circles, and validated integrity. Millions joined worldwide. Now an enclosed mainnet, blockchain live but firewalled from external connectivity. KYC'd pioneers migrate mined Pi and transact inside the ecosystem. App testing, real utility, and value consensus emerge. This enclosed economy is the testing ground for GCV. For OG pioneers, from 2019 and 2020, 314,159 resonates deeply. They saw the vision when it was a white paper and a simple app, mining at high reward amid uncertainty. They explained it to skeptics, laying the first bricks of a global community. 314,159 symbolizes their journey, a potential milestone validating faith and persistence. Imagine tapping daily for years without immediate reward. Millions did, believing value would be created by the collective. Seeing 314,159 as a consensus benchmark is a profound moment, turning abstract hope into concrete possibility. They recall skepticism and accusations. Today, the number feels like a badge of honor and a unifying force. It energizes discussions, welcomes new members, and confirms they sparked something special that spread to millions. GCV isn't just a slogan, it guides product priorities, rewards, and app ecosystems. It aligns the core team to community needs via a feedback loop. A high GCV builds trust, attractive to new users, partners, developers, and businesses. It's a defense mechanism. Real, verified users make manipulation expensive and difficult. A distributed base of humans acts like an immune system, protecting genuine value created by pioneer effort. GCV underpins utility. A currency gains worth when widely accepted. Consensus first, speculation later. Movements hit a critical mass, a self-propelling momentum. Some believe Pi is at or near that point. Tens of millions create gravitational pull. More join because so many are already there. The network effect. As size and activity grow, stopping the flow becomes incredibly difficult. Small and stoppable at first, then larger, faster, Finally, an avalanche. The user base in a high GCV like 314, 159 act like that accelerating snowball. Each user, transaction, and app adds mass and speed. Momentum reshapes the landscape. Harder to ignore. A large, audacious number galvanizes attention, curiosity, debate, and belonging. It becomes a rallying flag, uniting and inspiring collective action. Symbols drive engagement and reinforce belief in inevitable outcomes. Sustained momentum could turn Pi into a living digital nation with real utility and undeniable influence. Excitement around a high GCV and 314,159 must be balanced with caution. Lofty goals can breed overconfidence and obscure real risks. Regulation can change, impacting operations, exchangeability, and taxation. No system is immune to bugs or vulnerabilities. Vigilance and upgrades are vital. Delays, rough launches, or misaligned market value can cause disillusionment. Manage expectations with clear communication. Celebrate the milestone, but stay clear-eyed about sustainable execution. Ultimately, value will be proven by utility, security, and adaptability. Track developer activity, real apps, and commerce growth. Don't sit back, participate. First, stay informed. Read official updates, join discussions constructively, verify with official sources, and learn what GCV truly means. Complete your security circle, add trusted contacts, guide newcomers. Integrity boosts GCV. Be kind and clear. Protect your passphrase like house keys. Never share it. Security matters more as stakes rise. Celebrate 314,159, but focus on utility. Merchants, consider accepting Pi. Devs, explore building, participate in barter. Every use case, no matter how small, strengthens GCV. GCV is a mirror. It doesn't create value out of thin air. It reflects collective effort, trust, dedication. For OG pioneers, 314,159 is a deeply earned badge of honor. You helped build this from the ground up. This moment could prove a global community can define its own economy, or be a milestone on a longer journey. Read the numbers, ask clear questions, share what you learn, help others stay safe, celebrate with enthusiasm, plan with wisdom. Let this milestone spark connection, education, and growth.